Okay children, today we are going to understand some more things about multiplications. Okay, first one, order in multiplication. Order in multiplication. Look here, 2 times 3. How can we write? 2 into 3. 2 times 3 means 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Now I am going to change its order. Here first you can see 2. Second 3. Now I am going to write the 3 first. 3 into 2. 3 2s are, that is also 6. Okay, 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. Both are same. Here we have changed its order, but the answer is same. So we can see 3 into 2 is equal to 2 into 3, like that. 2 into 7 is equal to dash into 2. Can you say 2 into 7 is equal to dash into 2? What will be the answer? Yes, 7. 2 into 7 is equal to 7 into 2. Okay, did you get it? Second thing is multiplying by 0. Multiplying by 0. A number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. If we multiply any number by 0 is equal to 0. For example, 2 into 0 is equal to 0. Okay, like that. 0 into 2 is equal to 0. 5 into 0, 0. Okay, like that. 7 into 0, 0. So, a number into 0 is equal to 0 only. Okay. The third one, multiplying by 1. Multiplying by 1. A number into 1 is equal to same number. A number को 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करता है तब क्या आंसर आएगा? वो सेम नंबर. 3 into 1 3. 4 into 1 4. 1 into 5 5. I shall write 3 into 1. Which is the number? 3, no? So answer is 3 only. 3 ones are 3, 5 ones are 5, 10 ones are 10. Look here, 5 ones are 5, like that. You can see the 1 into 5, that is also 5. मीन्स 1 के साथ एक नंबर के मल्टीप्लिकेशन होती है तब आंसर विल बी द सेम नंबर ओनली. 1 into 1 1. ओके, कैन यू गेट इट? अभी हम लोग 3 थिंग्स समझ लिया. विच आर दे? फर्स्ट वन, चेंजिंग द ऑर्डर. मीन्स 2 into 7 is equal to 7 into 2. ऑर्डर में चेंज होता है तब भी आंसर विल बी द सेम. ओके, देन सेकेंड वन, व्हाट वाज दैट? है नंबर इंटू 0. 0 के साथ एक नंबर की मल्टीप्लिकेशन होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3 into 0, क्या है आंसर? ओनली 0. 0 के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन होती है तब आंसर विल बी द 0 ओनली. नेक्स्ट, a number into 1, this one, multiplying by 1. 3 into 1, What will be the answer? 3 ones are 3. The number will be the answer. Okay. 3 into 1, 3. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 0, 0. Okay. 5 into 2 is equal to 10 and 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Okay. The fourth heading, multiplying by 10. A number into 10. Look here. 5 into 10. 5 tens are 50. Okay. 5 tens are 50. It is very easy. Just 5 ones are 5 का 5 लिखो, ये सेम नंबर को इधर लिखना एंड टर्न की 0 साथ में ज्वाइन करना. ओके. 5 tens are 50. देन 8 into 10. 8 tens are 80. 8 लिखो, साथ में टर्न की ये 1 0 ज्वाइन करो. 80. 8 tens are 80. 2 tens are 20. Look here. 2 into 10. 2 tens are 20. Okay. Like that. 10 into 10. 10 tens are, क्या लिखना? ये 10 फर्स्ट लिखो और ये टर्न की 0 को ज्वाइन करो. 10 tens are 100. Okay. It is very easy, no? And 23 into 10. Can you say what will be the answer? What should we do? First we can write the 23 here. Okay. और साथ में कौन सा डिजिट ज्वाइन करना? 10 का 0. 230. 23 into 10, 230. ओके. भी समझ में आ गया? 10 के साथ कैसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन होती है? बहुत इजी है. जस्ट नंबर लिखो, साथ में 10 का 1 0 ऐड करो. नफ. ओके. नेक्स्ट थिंग, मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 100. मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 100. लुक हियर. 2 into 100. It is very easy. Just we can write the 2 here and 100 में how many zeros are there? 2 zeros, no? Just add the 2 zeros in front of the 2. Answer is 200. 2 into 100, 200. 3 into 100, 300. Look here. 3 into 100, 300. Okay. 10 into 100. 10 into 100. Just write the 10 here. Then add the 2 zeros of 100 with that 0 0. Answer is 1000. 10 into 100, 1000. बहुत अच्छा लगता है ना? एक नंबर के साथ 10 मल्टीप्लाई करता है तो क्या करना है? नंबर के साथ में 0 ऐड करना है, ज्वाइन करना है. देन व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100, जस्ट ऐड 2 zeros with that and 3 into 10. 3 into 10. Yes, write the 3 here and join the 0 with it. And if it is by 100, what will be the answer? Write the 3 here and join the 2 zeros with that. 300. 3 into 10, 30. 3 into 100, 300. Okay, it is very easy, no? Okay, take your book, page number 85. Here you can see an enrichment activity. Okay, let us do. Page number 85. Okay, fill in the blanks. Children, look here. 5 into 0 is equal to 0 एक ही है, वो सेम नंबर क्या आएगा? Yes, always it is 0. 0 के साथ एक नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करता है तब ओनली 0. Then 8 into 10, what should we do? Write the 8 and add the 0 of 10. 80. 8 tens are 80. Then 6 into 100, what should we do? Yes, write the 6 here and join these two zeros with the 6. 6 into 100, 600. Okay. Here 2 into dash is equal to 20. Then 2 है, आंसर क्या है 20. क्या करना है, इधर 1 0 है तो क्या मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा 2 के साथ 10. 1 0 वाला 10 होता है. 2 10s are 20. 2 10s are 20. Here you can see 5 into dash is equal to 0. 0 मिलना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके. Then 3 into dash is equal to 30. 3 into, here you can see 1 0. So 3 and 3 0. What will be the number? 3 into 10. 1 0 वाला नंबर क्या है 10. 3 into 10 is equal to 30. Okay. Next 6 into dash is equal to 6. इधर मल्टीप्लाई किया तब सेम नंबर आया. सेम नंबर कब आता है 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करता है तब सेम नंबर मिलता है. 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Okay. 6 1s are 6. Next 4 into dash is equal to 400. Here 4 है, इधर भी 4 है और क्या है एक्स्ट्रा 2 zeros are there, no? Which is the number with 2 zeros? 100. So 4 into 100. Okay. Next 7 into dash is equal to 0. Answer is 0. So what will be the number? Only 0. We know that a number into 0 is equal to 0. Okay. Did you get it? All of you should fill in the blanks. Okay. Children, we can write the multiplication sums in two methods. Which are the rows and second columns. Rows method and columns method. Okay. I shall say its examples. 3 into 2 हम लोग अभी सीधे लाइन से लिखा हुआ ना, इसको बोलते हैं रो मेथड. ओके. 3 2s are 6. One more method is the column method. How can we write that? 3 into 2 ऐसे लाइन से लिखता है. ओके. इसको क्या बोलते हैं column method. It is called row method. It is called column method. 3 2s are 6. The answer is same. Okay. It is row method. It is column method. Okay. Okay children. Take your next page. Page number 86. Page number 86. Exercise 1.4. Now all of you have learned the multiplication tables very thoroughly. So nothing to worry. Let us do this some very easily. Okay. Multiply 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. Okay. Just write the number. Enough. Work is over. Next 5 2s are 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. Okay. Next 8 5s are 40. अच्छे से लर्न करना तो जल्दी आंसर आएगा. ओके. हाउ कैन वी से दैट 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. 8 का टेबल भी बोल कर दे सकता है और 5 का भी बोल सकता है. ओके, 8 5s are 40 and 5 8s are 40. Okay, here you should give an attention here. The ones का प्लेस में होना है the last digit. 8 और 5 के नीचे होना चाहिए 0. इधर आप देखो 5 and 2 the first ones प्लेस कहाँ होना चाहिए? ones की लाइन में होना चाहिए. We can't write this 10 here. It is wrong. The first means the ones digit should be under the ones. Okay, next give underline. Then 5 into 3, 5 3s are 15, isn't it? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. Write the 5 here and 15 का 1 इधर होना चाहिए. Okay, don't forget that. 9 3s are 9 into 3, 9 3s are or 3 9s are. 9 3s are, say 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. Write the 7 here. 27 की 7 इधर लिखना है और 2 and the tens place. Okay, 27. So 9 3s are 27. Like in all of you should complete this work with the help of multiplication table. Okay, okay, you can do. Okay children, bottom of this page you can see one more question. Write in columns and multiply. Write in columns and multiply. These folks now you have to do in your copy, CW copy. Okay, it is done already. It is given in row method. We have to write in column method. How can we write? 4 into 7. How can we write it? 4 into 7 like this. Write in your copy, then multiply. 4 7s are 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28. Write the 8 here and 2 here. 28 like this. Okay. Next one, 5 into 4. How can we write that? 5 into 4. They should be in line. Okay. In column method में ध्यान रखना ये line में लिखना है. Then the sign of multiplication or into mark कहाँ डालना है? Before this number. Okay. Then 5 4s are 20, no? How can we find it? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Write the 0 of 20 here, then 2 here. Okay. All of you do this work in your copy. Okay. Okay children, let us meet in the next class.